The world is filled with astonishing and mind-bending facts that reveal how extraordinary our planet truly is. Here are 12 geography facts that might just change the way you look at Earth. Imagine a land so vast, so expansive, that it dwarfs even the scale of worlds beyond our own. This is Russia, a country that sprawls across 2 continents, encompassing 11 time zones. Its sheer size is difficult to comprehend, a staggering 6.6 million square miles or 17.1 million square kilometers. Even the dwarf planet Pluto, with its icy plains and mysterious heart, measures a mere 6.4 million square miles or 16.7 million square kilometers, outmatched by the terrestrial giant that is Russia. The Hawaiian Islands may feel like they're in their own isolated paradise, but every year they're getting about 3 inches or 7.5 centimeters closer to Alaska. This geological ballet is driven by the relentless movement of the Pacific Plate, a massive slab of Earth's crust that carries the archipelago northward. Though a seemingly insignificant distance over millennia, this drift has shaped the very geography of the Pacific, a testament to the ever-changing nature of our planet. Gaze upon a globe, and you'll notice a striking disparity in the distribution of landmass. The Northern Hemisphere, dominated by continents like Asia, Europe and North America, is home to the vast majority of Earth's human population. A staggering 90% of humanity resides above the equator. This concentration is no accident. The Northern Hemisphere boasts vast tracts of fertile land, temperate climates, and a history conducive to the development of large, complex societies. When we envision a desert, our minds often conjure images of scorching sands, shimmering mirages, and an unforgiving sun. Yet the true king of deserts lies not in the tropics, but in the frozen South Antarctica. This icy continent, a realm of glaciers, penguins and howling winds, receives less than 10 inches or 25 centimeters of precipitation annually. This extreme aridity, coupled with the permanently frozen ground, qualifies Antarctica as a polar desert, the largest on our planet. It is a stark reminder that the definition of a desert extends beyond heat, encompassing any environment starved of life-giving water. Deep within the Pacific Ocean lies Papua New Guinea, renowned for its biodiversity and vibrant cultures. It is the most linguistically diverse country, home to an incredible 850 languages. This represents nearly 12% of the world's languages, all within one country. This diversity stems from the island's complex geography and the separation of various communities by mountains, rivers and dense jungles. Alaska holds an unusual geographic distinction as it's both the westernmost and easternmost state in the United States. This is due to the Aleutian Islands, part of Alaska, stretching so far west that they cross the 180th meridian and technically enter the Eastern Hemisphere. This unique position makes Alaska span across the 2 hemispheres. Brazil is famed for its biodiversity, hosting over 103,870 animal species and 43,020 plant species. With the Amazon rainforest covering a substantial part of Brazil, the country continues to discover new species every year, around 700 new animal species on average. Brazil's rich ecosystems are essential for global biodiversity. Though seemingly static, the very ground beneath our feet is in constant motion. Earth's continents move at a rate of about 2.5 centimeters per year, which is roughly the same rate that human fingernails grow. This movement is due to tectonic plate activity, the same force that causes earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Over millions of years, these movements completely reshape continents. Mexico City is sinking at a dramatic rate of around 20 inches or 50 centimeters annually. Built upon the remnants of an ancient lake bed, the city rests upon a foundation of soft clay. Over time, the weight of the city, coupled with the extraction of groundwater from beneath its streets, compresses the clay, causing the city to subside. Without adequate water management, Mexico City's sinking could worsen. Locals refer to the bustling capital of Thailand as Bangkok, but its official full name is one of the longest city names in the world, stretching to 21 words. Its full ceremonial name is, which roughly translates to City of Angels. Australia's width from east to west stretches about 2,485 miles or 4,000 kilometres. Now cast your gaze upward to the night sky and behold the moon, our celestial neighbour. The moon, with its craters and seas, has a diameter of 2,158 miles or 3,474 kilometres, dwarfed by the sheer expanse of Australia. Africa, the cradle of humanity, is a continent of unparalleled diversity. But Africa holds another distinction, a geographical uniqueness that sets it apart from all other continents. It is the only continent to span all 4 hemispheres. The equator bisects Africa, while the prime meridian passes through its western edge. This unique positioning has endowed Africa with a tapestry of climates, ecosystems and cultures, making it a continent of endless fascination.